Welcome back to Welding with Grandad. Saturday morning, I'm in the garage and the birds are just waking up. Right, the other day I said I was going to work through the front panel of this thing via work in the process. So I'm starting at the top with MIG and I'm just getting ready, set up for 0.8 there. And then I had a look at the TIG. I fetched out the TIG torch there, which is too nice actually. It's got cloth around it, so I'm using the Kai-Tai plastic one. But I digress again. So anyway, I noted the other day that I didn't know how to get into the aluminium silicon, aluminium magnesium. So I'm in MIG. You press down the buttons here, which means you're into synergic. And then you press and hold that, and then the pulse comes on. And then the aluminium silicon magnesium light up. Now, what I've found with all of the other machines we've had quite a few, double pulse, single pulse. If you run magnesium alley wire, because it's stiffer and it feeds better, we found that if you set silicon, the machine goes into as if it's running silicon wire, and we get a much better feed. You have to work the inductance and get your fine tuning there. But that's how you get into that. So then I've just tried to get out of this, and it won't do it, so you have to press and hold. So that's the selective pulse or self-programming. Yeah. So you go down there, and then it won't go into pulse. So I think no matter where you are, if you press and hold that, it jumps into pulse. So there's one thing. Now, none of this is in the instruction manual. So I'll leave it there, and then next time you'll see or hear from me is when we're running the solid wire, 0.8 wire. So there we go. So anyway, thanks for getting us. I think we're up to 294 subscribers. Be nice to get to 300, but anyway, thanks a lot for subscribing. End the message. Happy welding, stay safe and all that. As a footnote, if you want to run pulse on mild steel, just go into the silicon and magnesium setup and put your solid wire on and trim your settings from there, because the machine doesn't know you got solid wire on, solid steel wire. So try that. I'm going to try it later on anyway when we run through the MIG. End the message.